అందరికీ సాయిరామండి. area in my garden. It's very nice. And I enjoyed each and every plant in my garden. This is a very beautiful plant. And I can't help taking video with turtle vine. It's a beautiful one. And that its beauty is enhanced with raindrops on it. It's beautiful, beautiful. That's all. And in between a wandering Jew. And this is so beautiful. And I saw one flower from it. And this is one more beautiful plant. It's like plastic one. And Rio plant is awesome. This was only small plant, but it has grown this much big. And again, turtle vine, my favorite plant. I've taken a umbrella and gone up and saw all the plants, enjoyed the day. Sometimes this is coleus plant. It was only little, but it has grown this much big now. It's a beautiful one. And this is turtle vine in small container, but it has grown this much big. See, at least 1 meter. And then one more coleus plant here. And this is one more plant and one neem plant too. And my curry leaf plant is growing little by little. And this is a beautiful flower. I like to shoot this flower and rudraksha flower. This is a beautiful view. And this is, for example, this is a beautiful one. And there is a matter. I enjoyed the rainy day in my garden. If you like the video, please like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.